Hello students, today we will see the next part of our maths and that is the place value of the digits. So in this lesson inside, first of all we will see the place values of a digit and after that we will see some of the example based on it, how the different kinds of examples are, what happens will come in exam. So first of all I will write the one number and suppose it is 3 2 1 0 5 9. I told you how to read this number, and that number is, I told you, from last 3 digit 1 2 3. Here you have to give the comma, and after 2 digits you have to give the comma. So this is the number 3,21,059. 3,21,059. Okay, so first of all what we have to write, it's a place value. So first of all all of you understand how is the 3 is present at which place? Lakhs place. 3 is present at which place? Otherwise I told you need then tens. This is 100 place. This is thousands place. It is 10,000s place, and it is lakhs place. So the value of 3 in this is 3 lakh. So what is the value of questions, how it is coming in the exam? So value of 3 is present at which place? Lakhs place. So its value is 3 lakh. So here it is 3 lakh. Okay, 3's place value is 3 lakh. Next is the 2 from this. Okay, so 2 is present at which place? It is present at thousands place. So 2's place value is 220,000. At which place it is present? It is its value. Next number is 1. 1 is present at thousands place. So its place value is 1000. So its place value is 1000. 5 is present at tens place. So its value is 50. 9 is present at which place? Unit place. So its value is 9 only. So in this way, according to the positions of the number in the position, we are going to write the place values of the number. Okay, now in the place value, which types of question they are asking, that we will discuss now. So first of all, suppose that is that these types of questions are also coming. What is the place value of in the given number 3 2 1? In these types of question are also coming. Okay, so they are not asking to you serially. What they are asking? They are asking to you what is the place value of 1. So at that time we have to find out that 1 is present at which place? 1 2 3 4 means it is which place? That is the thousands place it is present, and place value of 1000 is 1000. Okay, suppose here it is 4 is there. So here it is 4000 is the place value of the thousands. Suppose they are asking what is the place value of 0. So 0's place value is always 0 only. So such type of questions are coming. Again in exam, what is the difference between the place values of the digit 3 and what is the difference of place values between the digits? Which digits they are asking? 3. Suppose they are asking to us place value difference between 3 and 5. So here in this situation, what we have to do? We have to write 3's place value first of all. What is the difference between questions? Whatever I am reading, no, just note down the questions whenever I am reading it. So what is the question? I told you what is the difference between the place values of 3 and 5. Okay, so we have to find out in this number we have to find out the difference of place value of 3 and 5. Okay, so 3's place value is 3 lakh. Okay, so this is 3 lakh. And what is the place value of 5? That is 50. And we have to do the subtraction of this. So you will get the answer. So 0 minus 0, 0. Here 10. Here it will be 9, here it will be 9, here it will be 9, and here it will be 2. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here it is 9, 9, 9 and 2. In this way, you have to find out the difference between the places of the number. Okay, if they are asking what is the difference between the place value of a in this only number, what is the difference between the place value of 2 and 4. So if it instead of here 3 and 5, here it is suppose 2 and 4. So what is the place value of 2? 2's place value is 20,000. Yes, 20,000. What is the place value of 4? It is 4,000. So we have to difference they are asking, then we have to do the subtraction. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, and here 10 minus 4 is, here it is 10, here it is 1, 10 minus 4 is 6, and here it is 1. So its place answer is 16,000. Its answer is 16,000. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example. Now we will see some more examples of it. So question is the what is the difference between the place value of 6 in the digit? So first of all, here it is, the digit is the 7663. In this digit inside, what is the place values difference that we have to find out? Okay, so here if you see, here the numbers are same, 6, 6. So here it is 6 place value is 600 and this place value is 60. And the difference how we are finding? In this way we are finding the difference. 10 minus 4, 6 is 4, and here it is 5, and 5 we have to write as it is. So 540 is the difference. That is the regular way. In that way we can find the difference of this difference between these two numbers. Now I am going to tell you the trick for it. That is the way. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to write this number here. What is 7663? And this is a trick. How to solve it by trick. And this is the simple way that we are solving. It is actually simple question. You can use this, then it is good. You will get the correct answer. And one more method is there. So in this number inside, what we have to do? So in this we have to find out the difference between the 660. So first of all, 6, which number is difference we have to find out? 6 difference we have to find out. So 6 is there, first 6, same number is there. If same number is there, that time only you are going to use the trick. So 6 you have to take here and multiply it with the 9. 9 only you have to multiply. 6 9s, what is the answer? 54. And as it is placed in 100 and tens unit place, so this is 100 place, tens place, and unit place number is, we have to give the 0. Okay, now we will see some more examples related to this trick. So suppose I will write here 8 3 8 83,735. 83,735. So this 3 is there. That 3 I have to write here first. Okay, and 3 into, I told you 3 have to multiply 9. So 3 9s are, what is the answer? 27. So these 3 and these 3, in between, under them we have to write the 27. Okay, the number, how many numbers are there in between? There we have to write the 9. In between this 27 you have to write the 9, and here unit place we have to give the 0. So that is its answer, 2970. Now we will check is it correct or wrong. So what is the place value of first 3? This 3's place value is 3000. Yes, and this 3's place value is how much? 30. If we subtract it, we will get the answer here. What? 9, and here it is 2. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 70, 9 and 2. So in this way, by both way, which is easy for you, you just use it and solve the answers for this question. One more example we will see, and then we will take the next example. So 7 4, 5, 7, 60, 83. We have to find out the difference of the same digit, that is the 7, 7. Just I told you 7 you have to multiply with the 9. 7 9s are 63. Okay, what I told you, this 63 is there. 1 we have to write tens place number we have to write here, and here 3 we have to write. In between how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So here 2 times you have to write the 9, and the remaining are there. You have to write here 0, 6, 9, 9, 3, 0, 0 is its answer. Okay, otherwise you do the subtraction directly. Okay, how to do the subtraction? First 7's place value is, it is 7 lakh. So write here 7 lakh. So this is 7 lakh minus this 7's place value is 700, and do the subtraction of both. 0, 0, 10 minus 7 is 3. Here is 9, here is 9, and here is 6. So here it is 9, 9, 6. So if you get both the times, you got the same answer. So use this trick. Okay, next we will see, here it is a number. Question is in the 4-digit number 83, there is a same place digit appears in the place of star. If the difference between the place value is what? 720, then find that digit is the question. So now this is a number, and in this number inside, the difference between the place value, difference between the place value of this number is how much they gave you? 700. In this number inside, the star place is there. In that star place, same digit is occurring, and the difference between these two stars place they provide us, and the difference is 720 is the difference. So if such a type of questions are there, so if you, this question we have to solve very fastly. So what is the difference given here? Difference is 720. Difference is how much given? 720. So 7's next number, the first number from 720 is 7. So 7's next number is 8. Okay, so you have to put 8 at this place, because same digit is coming here. So 8, 8, and if you see check the difference of it, then you will notice that this is this star place 8 is there, this star place is 8 is there. So 800, this place value 8, this first 8, it is 100 place. So 100 place star place 8's value is 800, and 10's place star is there, its place value is 80, and difference between them is 720. In this way we have to solve the example. Means when the same digit occurs at the star place and the question difference they are providing to us, the difference first number we have to see, which is the first number 7, and 7's next number we have to take, that is its answer. Okay, now we will see some more questions of regarding to this. Suppose here it is 9 5 star 2 star 5, 9 5 star 2 star 5, and the difference between this place value, difference is providing to us, difference is 5940, difference is 59 here it is, I will take 3, 59. So the difference is 5940. So first of all, at this time we have to find 5's next number is 6. Next number of 5 is 6. So here 6 will come. We will check the difference of it, that is 6000. This is our 6000. Okay, and this 6 is there, its place value is 60. And if you do the subtraction of this, you will get the answer what? 5940. In this way we have to solve this example. Some more example we will see for the practice. Suppose I will take here example 9 star 7 8 and the star, and difference between the place value is 9 difference of between the place value is 999. If this is the difference, Then 9 is there, 9's next number is 10. Okay, so 10 we don't want to take, we have to take 10 is there, we have to take forwards number only because it is 2-digit number. So here we have to put number 91781 and we have to find out the difference between them. So this is the required number. Okay, in that place we have to put the 1. So 9 here stars place 1, 7, 8 star place we have to write the 1, and difference between 1000 and 1 is, as you know, that it is 999. So note down this example. We will see one more example, that is, suppose number is there 8 star 0 0 star and 4, and the difference between the place values is 8 9 9 1 0. 8 9 9 1 0. So 8 is the first number, 8's first number, next number of 8 is the 9. So the required number is there according to our trick, 8 9 0 0 9 4. At the place of star in this number we have to put this 9. So I put it 9. If you want to find out the difference, you can check it. 1 2 3 4 5, 9 is present as 90,000, 10,000 place. So this 9's first 9 is there, its place value is 90,000, and another, the second 9 is there, its place value is what, 90. And if you find the difference, you will get the answer. 10 minus 9 is 1. Here is 9, here is 9, and here it is 8. If you do the subtraction, it is, you will get this answer. So in this way you have to solve the what, its answers. Now we will see some more type of question. So what is the, suppose I will write here number, that is 351532. okay, 351532 means it is 3,51,532. in this place value of 5 before 1, this is the 5 before 1, 1 before 1 digit 1 is how many times the place value of 5 after 1. So here we have to find out how many times. So at that time what we have to do here, first of all write the what they are asking. First we have to find out the place value of number which is before 1. So here it is, this place value is 50,000. This is our 50,000. And the place value of this 5 after 1 is how much? 500. You know that it is present at which place? 100, and it is present at 10,000 place. So here 50,000 upon 500. If you divide this, 0 get cancelled with 0, 0 will get cancelled with 0, 5 ones are 5, and remaining 2 zeros we have to write here. So its answer is 100. Okay, if you are able to do this, then okay. Otherwise your method you are using, that is what, its answer is 100. Divide you have to do in this way. You write this 50,000 inside the division sign, and this 500 you have to write here, and if you divide this you will get the required answer. This also method you can use. Otherwise another method is there, this method, and its answer is there. How much I told you? 100 is the answer. Now every time if you, instead of doing this, how many times, their question is there, how many times is the place values of. So at that time what we have to do, I will tell you the trick of it now. So first of all what we have to write here, first 5 is there, first 5 is there. From at that place we have to write the what, 1. First 5, and this is the first 5, and this is the second 5. Here first 5 is there we have to write 1, and till second 5 we have to write the zeros. So here it came, so 100 place value is 100. Understood? It is very easy. You can use both the method. I taught you both the method. In exam time, suppose you forgot what is the trick of it, then I just what I told you, we have to solve this way, in this way also. So I will take one more example here. Suppose here it is the number 2,65,461. This is the number. And here what is the question? How many times is the place value of the 6 after 2? 6 this is 6 after 2, means this is 2 and 2's after 6 is there. So here it is, what is the place value of 6 after 2? So this is the 6 after 2, and after 2, that of the place value of the digit 6 after 4, and this is the 6 after 4. They may be asked you before 5, the 6 before 5, 6 before 1, such a type of questions are also coming. Just I told you in that way. First 6 is there, below it we have read 1. Yes, if same digit is there, here it is also 6 and here it is also 6, then here it is 1, and till the next you have to write here zeros. So 1000 is the place value of it. 1000 is the place value of it. If you do the division, you will notice that here it is first 6 value is the 60,000. This 6, its place value is 60,000, and this 6 place value is how much? 60. So I will divide it with the 60. 0 get cancelled with 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6, and 1, 2, 3. These 3 zeros I have to write it upside. So 1000 is answer. Now I will tell you one more thing. If instead of 6 here another number is there, suppose it is here 3 is there. So here it is, instead of here this 6, instead of this 6, if here it is 3, if here it is 3. Now what is the difference? Same digit is not occurs here, 6 and 3 inside. So at that time what is the answer? You just divide this 60,000 with what is the place value of this 3, that is 30. And if you divide 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and remaining 3 zeros we have to write here. Okay, now that is the direct division we had done. But here if you have to write directly, first of all see 3 table inside 6 is present. Yes, so 3 table inside 6 is at which place? That is 6 and second place. 3 twos are 6. So here write 2, and then next till 3 you have to write the zeros over here. So that is the second trick to solve the example. Okay, now we will see one more point, one more exact trick. So what I told you, if 6, 5, 2, 1, 3, 5, okay, if this number is there, first 5 is there we have to write 1, and till next 5 we have to write here 0. So these types of questions may be arise in the question. Okay, now exam. Next it is the, suppose they are asking what is the, sometimes this is also the answer, and what is the, suppose this is the question 3, 4, 1, 4, 5. So we have to find out the how many times is the 40 and 4. So how many times is the place value of 4 before 5? So 4 before 5 is this, and its place value is 40. And how many times means we have to divide the 4 before 1. This is the 4 before 1, and its place value is 4000. Its place value is 4000. So I will write here 4000. Do the division of this. Just I told you, first what we have to do, 0 get cancelled with 0. Now this 4 is there, if this 4 table inside 1 is there, so 4 ones are 4 and remaining zeros. So here it is, answer is numerator 1 upon 100. 1 upon 100. In this way we have to solve the answers. Okay, next question is the one more trick we will see. Suppose this is the question, what is the, how many times is the place value of 2? So question is 1, 4, 5, 2, 9. In this number inside, what is the question? How many times is the place value of 2? This is the place value of 2. Is that of the place value of what? Is that of the 4 in the digit 14,529. Just I told you, first of all see, trick, by using trick also we can solve. So 4 twos are 2 stable inside 4 is at which place? Second place present. Okay, so here 2 will come and divided 2 zeros we have to give. But here these 2 they are taken at first. When the tens place number is there, they took at first, then that of the which place? That is the 1000 place. So this we have to write in the denominator. Okay, and how many times 4 is there out that of the, if such a question is there, for 4000 upon 20, then you will get here how much? That is, its answer is 4000 is here. Its answer is directly 21 and 20 200 will come. Here it is this, otherwise this. We have to use this answers. Question may be asked, 2 is how many times 4 and 4 is how many times the 2. So this type of question, for both the questions, different tricks we have to use for it. Okay, all of you understand? Then again, whose place value is least, and all these types of question are also coming in exam. Suppose I write here 5, 3, 2, 1. So in this number 3, again, which 3's place value is least? So as you know that it is at unit place, so its place value is least, and its answer is 3. Okay, suppose some numbers are they are giving, and which is the place whose place value is least, they may be ask you the question. Okay, now next it is the question is that in the number 5762, what is the difference of place values of the digit tens place? Who is here tens place? 6. And what is the place value? 60. And the 100 place who is there? 7. So 700 place value is 700, and its the difference is how much? 0. Here 10, here remains 6. 6 minus is the 4. 640 is its answer. So they may be ask you the place value difference between the place value of the tens place and the 100 place. Okay, now the next part is the expanded form, and that you knows that how to solve this expanded form. So today's test instead some of the questions based on the expanded form also will come in the exam. Okay, so first of all, what suppose this is the number 3, 4, 3, 9, 8. Okay, so in this number inside, what is the expanded form of this they are asking. So first number is present at which place? So if you give here comma after 3 digits, it is 34,398. So this is 10,000s place, it is thousands place, it is 100 place, it is tens place, and this is unit place. So 10,000 place, as you know that 10,000 place is there, its place value is 30,000. So on 3 how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. So on 3 4 zeros give. Okay, plus right 4, this 4 is on 4 how many numbers are there? 3, or 4 is present at which place? 1000 place. So write here 4000. Right here 4000. So here it is 4000 plus 3 is present at 100 place. So this is the 100 place, 300. Then 9 is present at 90, and plus last digit is 8. So this is the what? This is the place value expanded form. Now we will see one more example of expanded form. Expanded form are actually very it is easy. So I will write here one more number for expanded form, and that is suppose 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 0. So its expanded form is, as you have to write unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s place, and then it is lakhs. So 4's place is 4 is present at lakhs place. So first we have to write the 4 lakh. Okay, 3 is present in 10,000 place. So its expanded its place value is 30,000. So here it is 30,000. Plus 2 is present at 1000 place. So its place value is 2000. Then plus 1 is present at 100 place. So 100, and 5 is present at 10's place 50, and unit place what is the answer? 0. In this way its expanded form is there. Sometimes they are asking this answers in jumble form also. That time you have to find its answers. For example, suppose 5, instead of here 8 I will take another number. Wait, so here it is 8, 2, 5, 4, and its expanded form they maybe gave you this way: 200 plus suppose 4. This place, this number is there, 100 place numbers place value written at first. Then they took here takes tens place, then 10,000 place. So here it is 8,000 and plus 50. In this jumble form also they will give you the this option, and at that time you have to select the particular option, because if you do the addition of 8,000 plus 200 plus 50 and plus 4, you will get the answer 8,254. So this is its answer. If it is not in the written in the form of 8,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 4, then also what happens, this is the answer. So this time you are getting confused. So without confusion you have to solve this. Okay, understood all of you? So today we will stop here only. Okay, all of you do the practice and give today's test. Okay, thank you.